Hi students, let's look at this question here, which was taken from the year 2020 EJC Paper 1 Question 10. Let's see how we can do this proficiently. So for the first part, you're given that this graph shows 1 over x squared plus 1. So this is a graph here. Then you're told to evaluate k to k plus 1. I'm not sure where's k, but we just try and understand this area here. K to k plus 1. K is a positive constant, so k plus 1 has to be on the right. So this case here is pretty okay. This area here is our k to k plus 1. Here I'll just evaluate it and leave it in terms of k. So for the first part, what we need is actually k to k plus 1, x squared plus 1 dx. So integral of this is MF26. You know that this would just be this would just be tangent inverse x, right? This is k plus 1 and k, so this will just be tangent inverse k plus 1 minus tangent inverse k. Alright, so there you go, you get this answer here. Pretty okay, I think. Not too bad. 2 marks.